The Badlands Monster Pack has been in the lineup for many years and remained mostly unchanged because we don't want to mess with a good thing. The Monster Pack is an 1100 cubic inch pack spread over 6 pockets. The majority of that found in your big main pocket. You're going to be able to put all your bigger items in there. Right now we have a full-size rain jacket stuffed in there. 5 other pockets are going to give you places for all those smaller items you're going to carry, like calls, flashlights, wind check, that kind of stuff. So you're able to stay very organized no matter what kind of hunt you're going on. A unique feature of the Badlands Monster Pack is this Delron flex frame, which is going to give you stability and an actual frame system to a fanny pack you're not going to find elsewhere. It's also made with our KXO 32 fabric, unique to Badlands. It's going to be super quiet, very soft, and also very water resistant. You're also going to have one additional storage feature here, a pocket down inside the waist belt, as well as webbing there so you can attach a knife, anything with a clip, pistol if you carry that. Is going to sit down snugly in between that pocket and the waist belt and give you nice protection there for whatever you're carrying. On top here, you're going to have this nice flat shelf with a buckled strap, so you can strap something to the top of that pack and have that option as well. You're going to have bedroll straps on the bottom also, perfect for rolling up a jacket or other equipment that you don't carry internally but you want to have with you on the hunt. The Badlands Monster Fanny Pack is available in multiple patterns as well, so that you can get exactly the look you want. Also unique to the Monster Pack is this 3-point shoulder harness. It makes it very comfortable while it's up on your shoulders. This is fully adjustable to go up or down depending on how tall you are and where you want that to sit on your back. Also on this, you're going to be hydration compatible. This bag is going to pull out of there and you'll be able to run one of our water hydration reservoirs in there, run that hose up and over your shoulder and have quick access to your hydration during your hunt. Also on the Monster Fanny Pack, you're going to have this nice, comfortable molded foam suspension. It's going to feel really good against your back and hips. You're not going to get that fatigue you can get with other packs. That 3-point shoulder harness system is going to give you that nice, comfortable fit along with that molded foam. So you can get that up on your back, around the hips, adjust that up and down exactly where you want it, get all buckled in, and take that weight off of your shoulders, transfer it down to your hips, and you're ready to go on your hunt and stay nice and comfortable all day long. That's the Badlands Monster Fanny Pack, and as always, everything with that red bull skull is covered by our unconditional quality, performance, technology, and warranty.